Let's make chicken nuggets.
First, we'll select our chick. He's perfect. Then we'll mark him in blue. Next, we'll place them into the brooder.
Gotta feed my chicken first. On day 1, I named him Nugget. Day 3, we took a little nap. Day 5, he walked outside for the first time. Day 7, we took a car ride. On day 9, his feet grew a lot. Day 14, he was so much bigger. Day 17, his first massage. His breasts were so soft. Day 21, he moved out to pasture. On day 30, we were halfway there. Day 35, we compared Nugget to a baby chick. On day 45, I just played with the baby pig the whole time.
Come here. Come on.
Day 52, I think he got suspicious. On day 55, one last massage. And finally came day 60.
Nick, it's time.